Okay, so on this last episode of 3UTools videos now, I'll be taking you through how I'll be creating a ringing tone on your phone using the 3UTools. So simple. The only thing that you have to do is to scroll down on the 3UTools now. Where 3UTools now your ringing tone or anything. That will have where on left hand side as well. Your ringing tones so you can click on any of them. So I'll click as well. You will see all the ringing tones are what's it so set that they are but me I'm setting everyone I can see all the ringtones are my Hasi. Okay, so on the top side you will see make ringtone. Okay, so I'll just click on make ringtone. So I click on make ringtone you will see say from PC or from device. Okay, so on the second or the first video I taught you guys how I always copy music from your computer to this phone now that we're using. Okay, so let's say if you already can copy music from your computer to the phone already, then you can choose that specific music from your phone. Okay, but in this video I will choose the music from the computer just to make things simple. So here I'll go to from PC. And then I'll just choose any of these music I'm playing. So I'll just choose Justin Bieber. Okay, but here you go to where you have your music on the computer. Into local baby or store music in our computer and so into me has in store media internet me choose who has in. Then I'll go to open. I import it every year. You see say a load music I say. So you can choose to adjust the specific length of the music now open and answer the part of the music now person using as or ringtone. So if you are me person me able to finfin say no then if finfin say na be ringing tone instead of will be fry best at finfin I will just drag these things just to make sure say it will finfin. In some book player you see say so meaning say from here that is the first thing I made this one and I met. Alright, so with that, maybe then I'll go to the button now. I say now generate ringtone. Then I'll click on generate ringtone. So after saying I click on generate now, generate area, I'll just click on import to your iDevice. So I click on import to your iDevice now. Then I can ringing tone ahead. I'll hold that. So I click also. So I click here, then let me close this. Two best me call home. Na abeka home. Enti on say me ba baby a ringing tones in one. Abeka home. Enti sounds na me call phone so I mean who's a ringing tone ahead. And away the other way I'll be to my ringing tone and then so say opa I won't click make ringtone. You can just go to import. Then you select the specific file. Okay. Then you select, let's say, Rihanna, lift me up, okay? Then you click on open, okay? The disadvantage I want to say, but this one, you have the opportunity to choose the specific part of the music. I say a ringing tone, okay? Sana we that's here. It is also the opportunity to choose the specific part. I'll say a ringing tone. Much as I know the click one, make ringtone. Send a bear with me. I choose the part of the music now episode the ringtone. As simple as that. So after sending importing ringtone area, I would like to check CBA ABBA. Okay, so I'll just go to my settings, then go to sounds and headers. I'm gonna call ringtone. To call ringtone now. You see Justin Bieber, right? Into Justin Bieber, love yourself, purpose. It's the end of one. Follow for more and then like this video and share for others to see it. Thank you.